What up? I'm gonna work on the celica again. I'm gonna bang it out, gonna do a tune-up, take it on another test drive, then probably drive it a little further. I made this LED work light for myself. I'm gonna power it with a battery from my RC days. I'm getting out of the RC game for now, keeping my drone. Alright, check out my work light. It's a little ghetto, but I like it a lot. It's like really hip and kind of fabulous, I would say. I definitely need more LEDs, but I would say this is a success. I want to see how long this battery pack is going to last, and if it's good, I'll be able to work at night a little better. And I'll make more fixtures. I'll make different ones. I'll make squares or whatever. It'll be cool. So check this out. Boom. I have a 3S LiPo. What's that? 11.1 volts. But I believe it reads 11.6, and I believe you can start a car with some of these 3S LiPos. There's actual voltage is 11.4. These are 12 volt LEDs, and I just cut and connected them with these jumpers. In hindsight, I was gonna use some hot glue on these joints here. I forgot. This is the prototype. This is the test run. I'll build another one later down. Hopefully better. Have more lights here. Could be like a chill spot. Boom. It is getting colder here in Jersey. Fall up in the Northeast, the car scene kind of dies down a bit. So, that's kind of when us car guys in the Northeast kind of retool and work for the next year. We try to keep turning wrenches all year long, one way or another. Even if it's just stockpiling parts. For the celica, I hope to get some stuff done wintertime. Today is a tune-up. The light will be cool. And I'm hyped. I'm inspired. Maybe I'll clear up even more stuff.
From the lyrical butt, make me oh, I grab my nut, let's go. Here comes my Shaolin style. True beat and Bobby, why you? Two with the if I was somebody else, and if I was half black, I would my water for blood. If I was not sexy, I would be a fight. If I was looking for that,
Keep in mind they were in there for a long time. The car's been sitting, so it'll be good now, though. And I could probably clean those up and reuse them. I'll check the gaskets later down, but I think they're just fouled up from a lot of cold starts and idling and no driving at all. Let's start it. Battery in the trunk. Back. Battery behind the passenger seat. The seat's no longer slide forward. Me and my girlfriend are tall. We're about the same height. We don't fit here. I don't have sliders. Neither does she. My seat might go a little forward. Not too sure. Having a hard time reaching the pedals with Converse. So forward. Start it up. Kill switch. Pretty nice, smooth startup. Weird gauge stuff. I think that's always going to be there. because I keep disconnecting the battery every time I store the car. So I have a little workaround for that. I'm gonna have to repaint my center console. Somebody asked me if my center console is vinyl or paint. That's a really silly question. We don't do vinyl center consoles. Back in the day, we used to spray everything in the celicas. My entire interior is sprayed. My dash used to be gray. Everything in here is black or glossy black. Some of it needs to be redone. Some of it is broken because it's old, and some of it is riced out because I was a ricer too. Idle is pretty smooth. It's high, whatever. I'm gonna air the car out. I'll check the voltage later. I know it's fine, so I'm not concerned. So far everything is good, so I'm gonna put it away right now, and then I think the gas is bad, so I'm gonna drive it as much as I can. I'm gonna take it for a joyride today. Stay tuned.